Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you the properties of getch function. So get character is not standard function and is present in console input output.h conio.h header file. The getch in C is a function used in old operating systems to get user input. It only accepts one input character at a time or per the function call. It pauses the execution of the program until input is provided by the user. It doesn't use buffers to store the data and return the data as soon as the user enters it. So I just want to write a code, simple code. I have already opened it on code blocks. First I use the header file stdio.h and then console input output.h header files for using the getch function. Before getch will be printed on console. You can see before getch has been printed and the program has executed. But if I use the getch function, get character function, then you can see before getch has been printed but the program has not been executed yet. I just have to press any of the key of my keyboard. You can press enter or any alphabet or number, anything of your keyboard, then the program will be executed without the control key. I just press 4 and the program has been executed. That's why you can use getch function. Again, then after getch, you can see only before getch has been printed but after getch hasn't. I just have to I just have to enter any of the key of keyboard, then the rest part of the program will be printed after getch. You can see after getch has been printed and the program has executed. So that is the use of getch function, that is wait until any of the input is given from your keyboard and immediately it will work after you put any input. That's all. Thank you everyone.